Hey guys, it's your boy PTC Pet saying, hey, did you miss me? As I know, I've been away for quite some time. I've been working on myself, getting to know my family better, and of course, just recovering from always being online and just going through some shit. But from now, I'm here. I've returned with my lovely assistant Soro, and we are here to make sure that people know how STA works. It's going to be my first video in a while as I'm getting back in the saddle. So bear with me and let's go make this show happen, guys. I'm going to be uploading more videos as, like I said, working on getting back. But for now, we're just going to review one of the West projects I've been in. It's stable. It's not only stable, it's growing, it's multiplying. And the team is working so hard on making it, making it known to the public. And not only that, making it known and also getting it out there and updating UI. Like I said, I've been away for a while working in the background, but let's check it out, guys. The blockchain-based hyperlocal solar ecosystem. STA is a one-stop solar technology service that enables users to order anything they like from the nearest farms in shortest amount of time using the blockchain technology. You can see that the price of STA is 70 cents a piece in the moment. Let's check out the price chart, guys. We can see how is it performing. You can see that there's 191,000 24 hours trading volume. You can see what's happening. You can see what's happening in the last 7 days. This means that you see like, well, it's a little bit stable around 70 cents, so that's a good thing. You can see here where it's getting bought. You can see that it's getting bought. It's getting sold. Like people are making sure that everything is working as should. And of course, there's no trading stop, so everybody can just keep going. We can also check the coin market cap, and you can see that the price is around 70 cents. You can see here, it's quite a nice and active chart. That, of course, is what we want to see. You can also see here like the trades in history. Of course, we can also check it out on PooCoin. But for now, we're just going to check it here. Let's go to the website and let me show you guys those updates I've been talking about. You can, of course, check out what is STA. Read more information about it. I got some more videos about it from months ago, of course, when I was just working. So you could check those and let me just give you guys some updates. Let's go see the screen that I'm talking about. It is still working exactly as promised and exactly as we thought it would be working from the beginning. So let's check it out. You can see my current package here is $11,035, almost 36, when I was activated, and you can see the total amount of staked stuff that I got. Of course, it pays a daily dividend. So you can say like, well, you're going to be investing a little bit. Let's see if I can. 1 second, guys. Let's see if I can get those screens with the numbers. No, not in the moment. I don't got the PDF present. So let's say you're going to be investing $300. You're going to get like 7-8% a day without building 7 to 8% on a month without building a team. 15% of that is going to go to your upgrade account, as you can see here, upgrade wallet, and the rest is going to go to your non-working balance income. So how can you work with it? Well, if you get a working balance income, you're going to build a team, you're going to invite other people, going to be making sure that other people get to learn about the project and they're going to give you a working income. Let's say you're going to be investing $1,000. That means that you'll be going up some skills and you will be earning something like 9%, 10% on a monthly base, which is quite nice. And of course, that's not all. You can also, like your invested tokens, you can get them back after a while. You can decide to sell them. You can decide to reinvest them. And it's all up to you what's going to happen with that, of course. So guys, without the chit chat, let me show you guys a little bit how to make sure that you can upgrade your account. First of all, you can see that I got a non-working balance income of like $616. Let's say I would want to transfer a little bit. I would like to upgrade, transfer to the upgrade wallet. Let's say, well, let me put in $60. Oh, ain't got a lock on. Let me put on $60 to my non-working wallet. And we're going to press it. And then you can see that this amount has changed. But then we're going to go to the dashboard again. You can see Upgrade Wallet now has $101. I can say, well, I would like to buy $101. That means 144 STA tokens. So please upgrade my account. You can see account has been upgraded. And you can see the total amount here now has gone up with $100. And of course, you decide when to buy, what to buy. I know that if you're investing like $10,000, you're going to be getting 15% a month, which I say is quite nice. And especially in these hard times, it's great to have, an extra financial security that there are funds coming in. The market cap is quite nicely. The liquidity is also great. So you don't have to fear about like everything disappearing at once. So yeah, you can see the website. Like I said, it's working now. You can see that there's a working income. You can see your total withdrawal. You can see your working income balance, and you can see my upgrade wallet has been emptied now. Total non-working income is 7,000. Farming income is 2,300. And of course, like I said, you're going to be getting a daily income. You can decide what to do with the daily income. You can reinvest it. You can withdraw it. For now, I got some bills to pay. So let's just say we're going to go to the working income balance. No, to the non-working. So let's say I'm going to be getting 500. Oh, he's just doing everything. Okay, let's do withdrawal now. We're going to press that button. You can see, are you sure you want to withdraw? Yes. And then you can see that my withdrawal requested successfully. This is going to be going directly to my wallet, which I can decide if I would want to sell it, if I'd want to hold it. Let's say, oh, the price is going up, I'm going to hold it. If I want to give it away to another user, let's say, hey guy, let me help you start a passive income. This is all, your own freedom to work with, so to speak. So guys, that's a little bit how STA works. And like I said, you can find your referral link. Also, you can see team business. You can find your referral link also on the website. I got multiple videos saying that how to work with it, where to find your link. So if there's anything you would like to know, be sure to get back at me, respond below the video, and I'll make sure to answer it. Like I said, I have a little bit of a backlog as I was not working for quite some time, but I'm here to make sure that I'm going to get back on the saddle. Stay safe, guys. Be blessed, and let's keep making a whole lot of money together. This is PTC Pet from the Netherlands, signing off.